What now?
Hold on. That's grandfather's.
What is that?
Just look at the sheer scale of it. To create a forest in an instant.
There's no shinobi alive today who's as powerful as the first Hokage. It's time to show them that all the myths were real.
Mizukage! And scrub until your hands blur.
His rhymes and puns are killing me. Seems like you're being a real cheapskate, Lord Tsuchikage.
Onoki, I can tell the worth of any stone I see. Actually, you're right. This is just an ordinary rock.
What?
What's really important is the will of stone inside you. But if you aren't careful, I worry that precious will of yours may disappear.
What? But why? That wasn't the agreement.
Susanoo! You may abandon your will, make excuses, or perhaps even replace it with hatred.
No more excuses. Let's go!
There he is now. Is that the first Hokage's face?
This fusion of both will be my ultimate weapon. No one can stop this reanimation.
What are you even doing here? You're dead!
Kabuto's jutsu.
Then I have questions for you!
Ask me later. But you probably won't listen.
I already know everything about you anyway. That's why I'm going to destroy the Hidden Leaf!
However, my truth is real.
I no longer live inside an illusion, and I can see through your genjutsu!
He's gonna kill everyone in order to avenge the pain that the village caused his older brother.
I was supposed to die too. You were also supposed to kill me along with...
Of course, he did not hate the Uchiha. He simply did what he had to.
My foolish little brother. Mangekyo Sharingan!
Why me? What's different about me versus our father or mother? Why only me?
I deserve to be dealt with only by another Uchiha. And so, I took advantage of the hatred in... Even though all I ever really wanted was for you to walk the right path. I changed the signposts on it, with lies and my visual prowess. Yes, you're completely right. You ought to decide your journey for yourself, just realizing that the signposts were not your only guides.
When you were alive, you never paid any attention to me! Always flicking my forehead saying, "Forgive me," and running off!
I must stop the reanimation jutsu.
Female medical ninja. You have it. His blood runs through your veins, doesn't it?
Surely you don't think we'd let you do something like that so easily.
You're wrong. It's pathetic compared to what Hashirama Senju was able to accomplish. Everyone viewed him as the ultimate shinobi. So even if you are his descendant, what do you really have to offer? Just what can you hope to do in this battle? Weakness of any kind completely revolts me. A weak Senju disgusts me even more.
My medical ninjutsu is pathetic compared to the first Hokage, who didn't need hand signs. Physical strength isn't everything. There's something else. Something passed down to me. The will of fire! Rule number 1. A medical ninja must never give up on treatment until their patient draws their dying breath. A medical ninja who masters the art of mitotic regeneration, the 100 healings, may break the first 3 rules.
I have never heard of it.
Don't you dare think that I'm an ordinary medical ninja!
Majestic Demolisher Flame!
Water-style water pillar!
If you step in here and die, all the other Kage will as well. If you are going to let your underlings take over, you should have at least taught them how to resurrect you, as I have done. The visual prowess of his eyes now mine.
That's why.
Madara was brought back with the reanimation jutsu?
Yes. And now that the real Madara has shown up, well, Lady Tsunade went through quite a lot after your passing. But in the end, she did it as a tribute to you.
You're already dead.
Transcend Mausoleum!
Now then, it's over for the rest of you, Kage.
Yes. Aside from the late Lord First Hokage, there is no one who can defeat Madara in battle. Don't die, Tsunade.
I'm impressed you were able to pass through my barrier. I wasn't worried, because I didn't think anyone was capable of defying the jutsu as you have done. In other words, you cannot simply destroy me.
Things aren't always as we wish them to be. Damn it.
I found you. What are you doing here, Itachi?
I'm so lucky.
What do you mean? What are you two doing meeting here?
This jutsu has neither risks nor weaknesses. I want you to understand that, Itachi.
Kabuto! Answer my question now!
I guess I have to tell you after all. The Fourth Great Ninja War. Toby and I are currently at war with the Coalition of the Nations of Fire, and that's just what we're doing. With 100,000 mass-produced white Zen, the third Raikage, the second Mizukage, the fourth Kazekage. Not too shabby, huh? Although, to be honest, Madara Uchiha planned everything. A plan to cast a powerful genjutsu over the entire world using the Ten Tails. Madara is causing a ruckus on the battlefield in order to get them.
Like I told you, I'm different. The rules don't apply to me.
There's no way you can kill me with my own jutsu.
Then I'll use mine!
If you want to kill me, you need to hit me hard, physically. Take me down and seal me away, you know that. I was hoping that doing so would douse your morale. But it seems to have done the opposite and boosted it instead.
You are Madara Uchiha.
No, I won't call you cowards. And as for 5-1, now it's 5-1 the other way. Would you prefer for all of these clones to use Susanoo against you, or not?
Your intent to kill is real.
The answer here is simple. I'm not under his control any longer. I'm sorry, but I simply can't stand taking orders from others.
Yes, well, I agree with you on that.
And what does that mean? That I'm still persuasive?
Just kidding. But as you see, thanks to this jutsu, you siblings get to have a touching reunion.
Can you understand the pain of the dead who are forced to fight? The pain of the living's even greater than theirs is.
Someone who slaughtered the entire Uchiha clan in cold blood has such a tender heart.